Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of January 16th, 2026. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And this is a series where we go through the Friday newsletter, show you guys everything in it. And so without further ado, let's begin.
First up, I want to highlight a collection called Steampunk Menagerie. This is from In the Beginning. With this group, some of the prints are in stock right now, with additional yardage and the quilt kits coming along in February. This group is bold, imaginative, and unmistakably Jason Yenter. This collection is 100% worth the wait. With this, you can expect patterns such as gears, clocks, pipes, steel, rust, balloons, maps, and tiles, all in different rusty shades of gold, brown, and gray. So if this group is interesting to you, you can gear up with Steampunk Menagerie.
Next, we have a very adorable collection from Blank Quilting. This is Cat Hair, Don't Care. Once again from Blank Quilting. This is featuring the Cat's Meow quilt kits, a pillowcase kit, and some assorted yardage. We got very little yardage of this collection left. We have patterns of packed cats, tonal prints, and plaid in colors of orange, red, blue, green, yellow, and cream. So if this collection is cute, make sure to get your claws into some quilts made by Cat Hair, Don't Care. Meow. Meow.
I could have done a way better meow than that.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. Next up, I would like to talk about the Hello Alice.
Hi, Alice.
From Ruby Star. Next up, I would like to talk about Hello Alice from Ruby Star Society. With this, we have the fat quarter bundles. We also have the 36-inch panels, the Hello Alice boxed quilt kits, as well as the full collection yardage. So as you can expect, this is an Alice in Wonderland themed group. With this, you can expect patterns such as florals, teacups, cats, mushrooms, rabbits, caterpillars, and falling aces, all in a vibrant color scheme of pink, blue, red, purple, cream, and black. It's a very vivid and colorful group. So if you're interested in checking this one out, you can go down the fabric hole with Hello Alice.
We know y'all love Lori Holt, and this is another Lori Holt collection. This is Farmer's Daughter from Riley Blake. Quick note, the boxed quilt kit as well as the 108-inch wide backings are due to arrive in late January. Just want to throw that out real quick. This is featuring what we have in stock though: Farmyard Friends quilt kits, buttons, books, patterns, rake rack, and much, much more, and also the full collection of yardage. There are 54 different patterns such as hens, florals, bandanas, cherries, clovers, plaid, and much more. There's too many to list, and very bright and vivid colors of blue, cream, green, pink, yellow, red, orange, brown, and gray. So make sure to get moving with the exciting Farmer's Daughter from Riley Blake.
Whoa. Next up, we have a sale going on. This is on the Floral Grid Batiks 10-inch stackers. All the icy blues, soft florals, and rich batik depths makes this 10-inch stacker a perfect fit for winter sewing. This is regularly priced. These are regularly priced at $29.96, but we have those. Oh wait, no, the other way. We normally have these priced at $48.96, but we have these on sale for $29.96. So if you're interested in checking out the sale, ice the price with this Floral Grid Batiks 10-inch stacker.
All right, and next thing, as always, we got to talk about our 1-yard cuts, and we always talk about these because y'all eat them up like hotcakes. These are our $9.96 each 1-yard cuts. We're adding new prints all of the time. There is a very good chance that we're literally adding prints right now out there. These are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab. Multiples will not be continuous, so if you get 3 1-yard cuts, they're going to be 3 individual 1-yard cuts, not 1 full 3-yard cut. So make sure to buzz on over to our website to check out these 1-yard cuts.
All right, now we're going to get into our comment of the week. That's where we take a comment from last week's episode and put it onto this week's episode. We had a couple different comments we wanted to select this time. So firstly, I want to highlight Susan T3N, who says, "Love the bloopers, too funny, leave the elf." As you see, Elf is still there.
Elf on a shelf.
Elf on the shelf. I mean, we want to thank you so much for this comment and coming and checking out our videos. Appreciate you leaving the comment down below. We're glad that you enjoyed the bloopers. I mean, obviously when you're recording, there's going to be some funny things that happen. So we're very happy that Justin here will throw them in there for us.
Depends on the blooper.
Yeah, that's fair. It really depends. There's some bloopers. So yeah, thank you, Susan, for this comment. Next up, we have another Susan.
And this is Susan610, who says, "You two are so funny. Love Friday videos. And just wondering if the elf on the shelf has a name." Well, Susan, first of all, thank you so much for leaving a comment and for watching and thinking we're funny. Not many people think I'm funny, so that's
Okay.
That was dark.
Oh, self-degrading?
No, I'm just kidding, but thank you so much, Susan, nonetheless, for thinking we're funny. And also, I was thinking, I've since seeing this comment, I've been thinking a while, what do you think of Rupert? Rupert the elf.
Rupert?
Yeah, Rupert.
Rupert. What do y'all think about Rupert?
Also, feel free to leave us a comment if you think you have a better name.
What do you think we could call him?
Yeah, I love this person's name, by the way. Austrobogulus.
Austrobogulus.
Yeah.
Next up, we have a comment from Austrobogulus. Bogulus? Austrobogulus?
That name I just love so much.
Austrobogulus, who says, okay, did Clint say he was a kitten bundle manager? I'm pretty sure that's what he said. Is that what he said?
I think he's supposed to say kit and bundle manager, which I can understand how.
Okay, so there's
yeah,
I can see how
sure.
it's. So no, he did not say kitten bundle. He said kit and bundle manager.
We can just assume that's what he said.
He's a kitten bundle manager.
He's in charge of bundling up all the kittens that are here.
What kittens?
Meow.
So thank you for leaving this comment. Thank all of y'all for leaving these comments and coming back and checking out our videos. Really appreciate it. Still asking what if y'all think Rupert is a good name for him. If not, if you have any other options, drop those down below, as well as any other comments you might have.
All right, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. We love reading all of the comments, even though we might not pick all of the comments. We love reading every single one, so please leave whatever you want down below. Also, once again, make sure to let us know any name suggestions for the elf. And also make sure to follow us on social media. Links are down in the description. And with all that being said, we'll see you for another episode of Friday Five Refines. Thanks for watching. See you later.